least, I would like to call Tanya Ved from class 11 to deliver her speech.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by the narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches his arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary deserts of sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward, and it is into the ever-widening thought and action, into that action of freedom, my father led my country away. A very good morning to respected Chairman Sir Ajit Sir, respected Baby Ma'am, Director of Education Salim Sir, Principal R.K. Gupta Sir, Senior Teacher Akhilesh Sir, all the guests on the stage and my dear friends. Before proceeding with my words of independence and freedom, firstly I would like to greet each one of you on this auspicious occasion of India's Independence Day. A very happy Independence Day to you all. As you're well aware that today we gathered here to celebrate the journey of our nation towards freedom and sovereignty. This year is the 78th Independence Day of India, which is being celebrated with the theme of Viksit India. That means developed India. This theme reflects the government's motive or vision to make our nation into a developed country by the year 2047, which will be the 100th anniversary of India's Independence Day. It is a day that echoes with the sacrifices of countless heroes who fought tirelessly for freedom and liberty. On this auspicious occasion, let us remember to pay homage to those who laid down their lives for the cause of freedom. These sacrifices have paved the way for the India that we know today, diverse, vibrant and resilient. India Independence Day is not just a day about the past. It reflects the present and to visualize our future. As citizens of this great nation, it is our responsibility to uphold the principles of justice, equality and fraternity. Let us work together to build a nation in which every individual has the opportunity to thrive regardless of their background. In the face of challenges, let us not just sit behind and wait for the ease. Instead, let us draw inspiration from the unity that defined the struggle of independence. As it is rightly said by Mahatma Gandhi ji, freedom is never dear to anyone. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? In conclusion, I would like to add some lines by saying that their pain, they struggle for us. This leads to our freedom, our independence. And instead of making it go futile, let us make our nation shine. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanya.